Hello everyone! Today we have a vlog about our trip to Madame Tussauds Museum in Istanbul for my birthday. I must say right away that it was the 15th of February. At the beginning of the exhibition, we are greeted by Turkish sultans and then politicians. And we are here too! Hi! I believe this is one of the most important women in the history of Turkey. Leonardo da Vinci, where is my pizza? Por favore! And another incredibly important guy in the history of Turkey. Mona Lisa, you must be in Louvre. I bet you all know Mozart. Of course. Steve Jobs. Now I wanna buy a new iPhone. And this is something from outer space, definitely. Albert Einstein, the smartest guy on this planet. And these guys are doing sports. Muhammad Ali. And then it is Maria Sharapova. And this is a big corner of football players. Nice shot. Messi is a champion. Neymar Jr. Is it you, Katy Perry? Is it you, Katy? I think I need to dance with Beyoncé. Yeah, and with maybe Lady Gaga. Alright. Nobody knows. Nobody gonna know. Damn. Light, camera, action! This palm hand suits me, isn't it, Marilyn Monroe? OMG, it is E.T. Just need to try his vehicle. Look, Igor is like in a movie. Don't you expect it, Tom Cruise? I'm Shrek. I live in a swamp. And yeah, he's a scary ogre. Leonardo DiCaprio. Jack, I have a wooden door for you. And say hi, Jennifer Lawrence. So what do you think about The Good Door? Johnny Depp, but he's not a pirate today. Are you savvy? You can put a lot of likes and thumbs up for Beckhams. And subscribe to my channel for Bruce Willis. After the exhibition, there is a fun goods store. There is a lot of merch, cool stuff, magnets and mugs. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and thumbs up, it's important. Bye!